going into the Morphe 35O palette and taking these shades right here with a fluffy crease brush and just putting this all over my crease. I'm now going into this warm orange shade with the same brush and just building up my crease. Into this warm brown shade, and with a smaller Morphe crease brush, I'm just putting this all over the crease. Now I'm going into the Dream St Kathleen Lights Colourpop collab, and I'm going into the shade Water Bearer. With a flat shader brush, I'm just putting this all over the lid. Going into these two really warm shades with a small crease brush, I'm just darkening up the outer corners. Zodiac palette from Colourpop and going into the Pisces shade and just applying this on top of the Water Bearer shade. I just took the Smashbox X-rated mascara, just putting that on, and now I'm just doing the exact same thing I did in my crease on my lower lash line. I'm using a lip liner from Bronx Colors and just applying this. I'm now taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo and I'm just applying this. I'm taking the Estee Lauder High Gloss Plump gloss in Opal Plump and I'm just applying this. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.